We are going to do some calculation for the reaction between chlorine and sodium hydroxide. Now in this question, the setter does not want to tell us what is the temperature of this reaction because chlorine can react with cold sodium hydroxide or hot sodium hydroxide solution. If chlorine reacts with cold sodium hydroxide, the equation will be Cl2 with 2 NaOH forming 1 NaCl, 1 sodium chlorate 1, and 1 water molecule. Mole ratio in this equation for all reactants and products will be 1 to 2 to 1 to 1 to 1. We are given the mass of chlorine here, which is 71 gram. So let's find the number of mole for chlorine in this 71 gram. Which is 1 mole of chlorine. Based on the mole ratio, 2 moles of sodium hydroxide will be used, 1 mole of sodium chloride will be formed, 1 mole of sodium chlorate 1 will be formed, and 1 mole of water will also be formed. The mass of 2 moles of sodium hydroxide will be 80 grams. Now we'll find the masses of all the products. So I found the masses of the products. The question says that the reaction produces exactly 35.5 grams of product X. So we are supposed to find out what is product X. So by looking at the masses here, none of them is 35.5 grams. So that means the temperature is not cold sodium hydroxide solution. We should try using hot sodium hydroxide solution. When reacting with hot sodium hydroxide, 3 moles of chlorine will be used, 6 moles of sodium hydroxide will be used, 5 moles of sodium chloride will be formed, 1 mole of sodium chlorate 5 will be formed, 3 moles of water will also be formed. Hence, this mole ratio of everything. Again, we are going to start with 71 grams of chlorine, which is 1 mole of chlorine. If 1 mole of chlorine is used, 2 moles of sodium hydroxide will be used. 1.67 moles of sodium chloride will be formed. 0.333 mole of sodium chlorate 5 will be formed. And another product, water, 1 mole of water will be formed. Now we are going to do the same. We are going to find the masses of all the products. We found the masses of all products. Sodium chloride 5 is the one that gives us 35.5 grams. So product X will be sodium chloride 5. The answer to this question is D.